Huh? Don't post on YouTube, fool.
Why?
Oh, here comes Allie.
Hey, you can't come in. You can't come in here. That's the cow. I didn't actually touch you. Yeah, you did. You did see yours.
I'm pretty sure.
That's why the cow didn't go in here.
I'm pretty sure if I put this on YouTube, I'm pretty sure your dad won't be looking up stuff about Gavin. It's like, oh, let's look up stuff about Gavin.
No. And I don't have all my bones in my pinky toes, so I just won't do it. No, they stay down.
They're coming
Oh wait,
back.
go back. Please. No, one more. Go back one more, please. Okay, I'm gonna real Slim Shady. Just please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. Shady, please stand up. Please stand up. Please stand up. The real Slim Shady, please stand up.
Prison before.
Oh, this song.
Oh yeah, that's a good song. No!
Billy, you have to perform an oral.
Crap.
Billy?
Yeah. It already got your face before.
Oh, he's playing this on YouTube. He's playing this on YouTube?
Yeah.
He has YouTube. Please don't.
What?
Gavin already flipped off the camera, so I'm pretty sure he's not gonna put it on.
So, where's the Mrs. Cow? Oh, there's Mrs. Cow out there.
Come on.
No.